अस्सलाम वालेकुम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। Can you hear me, beta?
Yes,
You hear
teacher.
me, beta? Turn off your.
Yes, teacher.
Okay.
Yes, teacher.
Hmm? Hmm. Mouse. Okay, beta. How are you all? Yes, beta. First of all, turn on your cameras, beta. Turn on your cameras. Yes, I can see Ramla, Muhammad Umar, Sheroz. Yes. Okay, beta. Today we are going to start our revision. So, first of all, you have to take your copy one with you. Take your copy one with you, and in the meanwhile, you have to prepare your indices first. You have to write down in your index today's date, and then you have to write down the uh, RT1. So, okay, Omar, I can see your copy. Maintain your indices first, then prepare your title page for RT. Okay, today we are going to discuss the chapter Pakistan since 1947. Is it clear? So today we will discuss the major issues of Pakistan at the time of independence. Is it clear? After 20 minutes, I will ask you the questions and you have to answer me these questions. These questions are related with today's lecture, and then after that, you have to write down the answers of these questions in your copy one. Is it clear? Okay, Vanya, I can see you. Please, all of you, maintain your indices first. Write down the date, and then you have to write down RT1. Write down these things and show me your copy. Okay, Sharoz, Iman, yes, Muhammad Umar. Okay, you have to write down these things in your copy one, and after that, prepare your title page. Okay, Umar, what are you showing? First of all, show me your indices, beta. Show me your indices first. Maintain your indices properly. Yes. Okay. You have to write revision at the top of your indices. Then you have to uh, write the today's date and then RT1. Okay, Ramla, I can see your copy. Now prepare your title page, beta. Okay. Very good. Now, put the date, today's date, on the next page at the top of the page, and so you have to prepare your copies. Okay, Rumesa, Abed, and Sania, Iman. Yes. Show me your copy, Rumesa. Okay, very good. Very good, Iman. Have you completed your index, Iman? Okay. Yes, Sumaya, beta. Okay, ठीक. Well done. Sania, show me your index, beta. Very good. Very good. Okay. Okay, you have to open your books as well. Open your books from page number 96. So, today we are going to discuss, as I told you, the major issues of uh, Pakistan as the time of independence. Okay. Adan beta, show me your copy. Turn on your camera. Yes, Cheros. What are you saying? Yes, Cheros.
Assalamualaikum, miss.
Walaikum assalam.
Miss, I want to say that I am doing my revision copy too because my comment has finished
Why, beta?
shortly.
Where is your copy one? Cheros,
Miss,
where?
I have my copy one, but it is finished.
Okay, beta. You have already told me in
Miss,
the previous class. Okay, no problem.
miss, I have my
Yes, Cheros. Okay. Okay, Afra and Asia, beta. Turn on your cameras. Show me your copies. Muhammad Arif, turn on your camera, beta. Okay. Sania, beta, have you completed your work? Okay. Show me your title page. Okay, very good. Okay, that's great. Sumaya, show me your copy. Rida, beta, show me your index. Okay, well done. Very good. Rabia, Halima. Halima, beta, show me your copy. Halima. Okay, Rabia, I can see your copy. Aisha. This is Aisha's copy. Okay, Aisha. Thank you so much. Yes. Afra. Afra is showing her copy. Afra, beta, put the heading of revision there. I cannot see your copy clearly, beta. Use the next page. If you have a spare page of index, then you have to write down there. Yes, Rabia, beta, show me your copy. Are you listening me? Show me your copy, beta. Very good. Okay, well done. Okay. Sada Zainab, beta, turn on your camera and show me your copy. Hurry up, beta. And where are the boys? Hania, Fatima, Iman, Eman Jahan. Beta, turn on your camera. Hurry up, beta. We have to discuss our topic now. Hania, beta, turn on your camera. Muhammad Arif and Asia. Yes, Muhammad Arif, beta, turn on your camera. Fatima Nadeem, all of you, better turn on your cameras. Muhammad Talha, okay. Yes, Sada, beta, show me your copy, beta. बेटा अपनी कॉपी शो कीजिए. Sada Zaina, beta, show me your copy. Okay, Asia, I can see your. Okay, well done. Very good. I can see your copy. Okay. As I told you, that our today's topic is Pakistan since 1947. So, we are going to discuss first of all the major issues which were faced by the Pakistani government, which were faced by the newly born government at the time of independence. Mohammed Talha, better turn on your camera. I am waiting. Jay Kumar, better turn on your camera. I am waiting for your cameras. Both of you, beta, Mohammed Talha and Jay Kumar, beta, turn on your cameras. Okay. Now we are going to discuss first of all why Pakistan is called a unique country. So you know that Pakistan is called a unique country because of some unique reasons. And which are these reasons? First of all, Pakistan was created through the people's vote. So birth of Pakistan was a birth of a new idea. And which was the new idea? Someone can tell me which was the new idea? Okay. Yes, Vania beta, what are you saying?
Miss, my
Ji.
copy one is end.
So beta, you have to do this work on copy 2. You can do this work
Okay,
on copy 2. Hurry up beta, prepare your title page and index.
miss.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, miss.
Okay. Okay beta. Okay beta. Yes, Muhammad Arif, what are you saying? Muhammad Arif. Yes,
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 yes, I want to give the answer.
yes, beta. What are you saying? Hurry up, beta.
I want to give the answer.
Yes, beta. Give me the answer. Which was the new idea?
The new the new idea was that Pakistan showed that nation could that the nation could win independence by respecting law rather than breaking it.
Okay, very good. But the new idea was the country which is going to get independence on the basis of ideology or ideology of Islam. Is it clear? Okay, and that was the idea conceived by who conceived this idea? Idea was conceived by, yes, Allama Iqbal. Is it clear? So that's why Pakistan is a unique country, and it is called a unique country throughout the world because of some reasons. First of all, it is the country which is based on the idea of uh, a poet, idea which is based on a new idea. Is it clear? Which is based on a new idea. Is it clear? So it is also conceived by a poet and idea of a poet, and then you can see that it is also a unique country because of this that the people of the subcontinent also cast the vote, and they were especially the Muslims were uh, in the favor of this country, which is totally based on the ideology of which will be totally based on the ideology of Islam. So that's why this country is called a unique country. Is it clear? Okay. So at the time of independence and okay, at the time of independence there were some problems which were faced by the government of Pakistan, the government which is newly born government. So at the time of independence, first of all, the major issues like you can see were that large number of refugees. This is the major problem of at the time of independence. So the dispute over Kashmir was another major problem, major issue for the newly born government of Pakistan. So after that, there was also the cash problem, and the Indus water dispute was also there. So these are the uh, four most major problems, or you can say major issues, which were faced by the government of Pakistan at the right after the independence of the country. Is it clear? Okay. Beta Jay Kumar, turn on your camera. Hurry up, beta. Beta Jay Kumar, beta, if you are in the class, then turn on your camera. Okay. Mohammed Talha. Okay, you haven't camera. Asia Afra, Muhammad Ali, beta. Muhammad Ali, what are you saying, beta? Yes, Muhammad Ali. Yes, beta. Muhammad Ali, what are you
I
saying?
wanted to give the answer,
Yes, beta,
but
give me the answer. What is your
but
answer?
you gave me.
Okay, you have to give, you can give me the answer once again. If you want to
Wait,
give the answer, tell me the answer, beta.
the answer was Allama Iqbal. Nothing said.
Conceive the idea of Pakistan. Very good. Okay, beta, be focused towards your lecture now. We have to do some work in our copies also. So as I told you, first of all, the major issue of the Pakistan at the time of independence was the large number of refugees. When a large number of refugees came towards Pakistan, they were they were coming from the India side, and they were some refugees were coming from India by their own choice, but most of the refugees were coming from India by force. So the Indian government forced them to leave India, and and these people suffered very much. So the hundreds and thousands of people were coming from India's side towards Pakistan, and at that time it was the major issue to settle these refugees in a newly born country, because they at that time they needed the camps and food and camps, and to settle the refugees was the major issue. So there the government needed the much cash and the government of Pakistan at that time had not these type of the resources, enough resources for settling these refugees, and thus this caused the major problem. Is it clear? You can see in this picture how much people, and you can see a lots of people, number of people were coming from India to Pakistan. They were migrating towards Pakistan through the train and by walk as well. So they were not the most of the ways of communication or any type of thing you can say. So these type of the these are the refugees you can see in this picture. Their trains are full and the refugees and the people were sitting on the roof of the train, and it was also dangerous. They were the riots started there in every part of subcontinent, and people were suffered who were coming from the India, and they wanted to go towards Pakistan by their choice, but most of the people were coming from India by force. Is it clear? So this is the major issue for Pakistani government, and the government did not have enough resources for settling the refugees, and this caused a major problem. Now you can see the next problem, the dispute over Kashmir. And as you know, before independence, many parts of South Asia were ruled by the local Nawabs, kings, and princes who obeyed the British rule. And they all were happy with the British government, and they all obeyed the British rule, and they did not want to separate with from the Indian or government or British government, sorry. And one of the largest state was Jammu and Kashmir, which the British had sold to a Hindu ruler in 19th century. So underline these lines. These lines are most important lines. But you know that majority of the population of that state was Muslim, and obviously they would vote to join the Pakistan because Pakistan was being separated at the basis of Islamic ideology. So that's why the population of Jammu and Kashmir was Muslim in majority, and they wanted to join the Pakistan. They wanted to join the state of Pakistan. Is it clear? Okay. Okay, Afra and Asia. Asia, beta, show me your book. I want to show. I want to see your book. Underline these lines and show me your books, beta. Turn on your cameras, beta. Asia, beta, turn on your camera. And after that, Muhammad Arif, turn on your camera. Okay, Asia, show me your book. Okay, underline these lines. Most important lines, the dispute over Kashmir. Okay, okay, beta, well done. Nuseba, beta, turn on your camera. Okay, now, okay, Nuseba. Yes, very good, very good. Okay. So, because of this, you can see that the state of Jammu Kashmir, which was sold by the British to a Hindu Raja, but the in 19th century, and you know that the majority of the people in Jammu Kashmir were Muslims, and this state was, and the British sold this state to a Hindu Raja, and the people of this state were Muslims in majority. So they would obviously vote to the favor of in the favor of Pakistan. So they wanted to go with Pakistan. but uh, the British government sold this state to a Hindu ruler. And I told you that all the Hindu rulers and other rulers and nawabs and kings obeyed the Rabia beta. Don't do this. Erase the screen right now. Rabia. Okay, Rida. Rida beta, show me your book. So this is the second major issue of Pakistan's government at the right after the independence. Is it clear? Okay, very good. Rida beta, show me your copy. Show me your book. Sorry. Okay, well done. Okay, underline the important lines and then after that show me your book. Okay, the third problem was the cash problem. Is it clear? The third problem was the cash problem. So what was the cash problem? You know that the India and the Britain sent their armies to Kashmir. This started a dispute actually which has not been resolved this day, and this is called Muhammad Ali beta. Erase the screen. Muhammad Ali or Muhammad Ali beta. Erase the screen right now. I can see your names beta. Erase the screen. Okay, if you are not going to erase the screen, then I will block you, Muhammad Umar, Muhammad Arif, and Muhammad Ali, and Muhammad Talha. All of you. Beta, I will block you. And I'm going to block you. Erase the screen right now. Okay. Next one is the cash problem. So, what will be the cash problem? Okay. So you can see that the Indian invasion of Kashmir created two major problems for Pakistan. Firstly, what was the first problem? Firstly, Pakistan was a country with few industries. When Pakistan came into being, it was the country which was came into being with few industries. So it is not possible to develop a country with few industries. So Pakistan needed much resources from the Reserve Bank of India. So the Reserve Bank of India decided after a long discussion, after several meetings, it was decided in 1947 that the amount would be rupees 750 million, uh, out of which Pakistan had already received rupees 200 millions. Yet, these lines are most important lines, beta. Underline these lines. So these lines are on page number 98. Beta Muhammad Arif and Muhammad Umar. I'm going to block you. If you, yes, Halima, beta, I can see your book. Very good, beta. Underline these lines. And what was the second reason? So, first of all, first reason was that after several meetings, it was decided with Indian government through the Reserve Bank of India that the amount would be rupees 750 million, out of which Pakistan had already received 200 millions, will be given to Pakistan. Yet India refused to pay remaining amount of 550 million due to the war in Kashmir. India said that they were busy in the war with in Kashmir, because they sent their armies there. That's why they will not pay the money on time. And secondly, there was the dispute of the rivers, that five rivers which were the major rivers which were originated from the mountains of Kashmir. So the India blocked these rivers, and after that, the World Bank, uh, which resolved this dispute in 1948. Is it clear? So these were the major problems of that time. And also, I want to say that better open your copies in the meanwhile, and you have to write down your questions. And Liaquat Ali Khan, as I told you, was the first Prime Minister of Pakistan, and there were two major achievements of Liaquat Ali Khan. First of all, he increased the age limit of casting the vote to 21 years, and after that, he also presented the objective resolution. Is it clear? Objective resolution, he also presented the objective resolution. So these were the two major achievements of the first Prime Minister of Pakistan. Okay. Now you have to give me the answers. I'm going to open your mics one by one. Write down the first question. Why is Pakistan a unique country? Give me one reason only. Why Pakistan? Why is Pakistan a unique country? Give me one reason only. Give me the one reason only. Yes, beta. Hurry up. Write down the question, and then Muhammad Arif or Muhammad Umar. सिर्फ मोहम्मद शो हो रहा है ना, अब चार मोहम्मद है, इसको निकालो। सबको मोहम्मद की मर्जी है, उन्हें ये सब करेंगे खुद से, मैंने बोला इनको नहीं करें। ओके बेटा, गिव मी द आंसर हानिया। हरिया बेटा,
Pa-
गिव मी वन रीजन।
Pakistan is a unique Pakistan is a unique country because it was conceived by a poet.
Okay, well done. Pakistan is a unique country because Pakistan came into being through a new idea.
People's vote.
Okay, people's vote. This is also the reason Pakistan came into being through the people's vote. Show me your copy, Sada beta. Hurry up, give, write down the answer. Okay, beta. Hurry up, beta. Write down the answer. Show me your copies, beta. Yes, beta. Hania. हाँ, जी. Okay, beta. Next question is, show me your copies, beta. Hurry up. Copies देखना. छोड़ देंगे, बार बार जाते हैं, ये आती है ना, है क्लास में। हाँ, फिर चली गई ना। ओके बेटा, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, शो मी योर कॉपी बेटा। हरी अप सुमैया, शो मी योर कॉपी। सुमैया, शो मी योर कॉपी बेटा। आर यू लिसनिंग मी? सुमैया, रिदा बेटा, शो मी योर कॉपी। Okay, very good. Give the answer. Write down the answer. Pakistan is a unique country because it came into being through people's vote. Very good. Rabia has shown me her copy. Yes, Sada. Yes, very good. If you have completed your question, then the second question is, who conceived the idea of Pakistan? Who conceived the idea? who conceived the idea of Pakistan? Yes, beta. Who is going to give me the answer? Hurry up. Sania, beta, tell me the answer. Yes, Sania. Yes, Sania.
Aslam,
Aslam.
Aslam,
Who conceived the idea of Pakistan? Hurry up, beta, Sania.
Allama Iqbal,
Yes, very good. Beta, write down the answer. Allama Iqbal conceived the idea of Pakistan. Sania, beta, turn off your mic. Show me your
sorry
copy,
miss.
beta. Sania, beta, turn off your mic. Ramla, show me your copy. Write down the answer. Allama Iqbal conceived the idea of Pakistan. Who have completed this question? Asia. Yes. Asia, show me the, yes, Allama Iqbal conceived the idea of Pakistan. Very good. Rida, have you completed your question? Hurry up, beta. Complete your answer. Yes. Who is this? Afra. Very good. Very good. Okay. Okay. Write down the question number 4 first. When did Indus Basin Treaty sign? When did Indus Basin Treaty sign? Write down the question number 4, which is question number 3 in your copies. When did Indus Basin Treaty sign? Saad Kuram, open your camera, beta. Hurry up, beta. We have 4 minutes. Saad Kuram, Subhana Noman, beta. Open your cameras. Okay. Now, Muhammad Ali, beta. Sorry. Adan Azam. Adan,
Yes,
beta. Give me the answer. When did
मैं तो
Indus Basin Treaty sign?
can I give?
Yes, yes. Yes, Muhammad Ali.
Indus
Hurry up.
Basin Water Treaty was signed in 1960.
Very good. Write down the answer, beta. All of you. Indus Basin Treaty was signed in 1960. Indus Basin Treaty was signed in 1960. Very good. Rida, beta, show me your copy. Yes, Muhammad Arif is showing me his copy. Indus Basin Treaty was signed in 1960. Very good, very good. Very good, Rida. I can see your copy. Now, question number 4. Here, this is question number 5, but you can write the question number 4 to this question. So, who was the first Prime Minister of Pakistan? Very easy question. Who was the first Prime Minister of Pakistan? This is your last question, okay? You haven't need to write the question number 3, which is showing in the on the slides. Just 4 questions are here. So the last question is, who was the first Prime Minister of Pakistan? Okay, beta, hurry up. Uh, yes, Aisha Hassan, beta, give me the answer. You have just 1 minute, beta.
Liaquat Ali Khan
Liaquat
was the
Ali Khan
first
was
Prime Minister of Pakistan.
very good. Liaquat Ali Khan was the first Prime Minister of Pakistan. Fatima Nadeem, beta, Adan Azam, turn on your cameras, beta. Show me your copies. Hurry up. We have 1 minute only. So these are 4 questions, RT questions, and you have to, you gave the answers of these questions. Very well done, beta. All of you, very well done. Liaquat Ali Khan was the first Prime Minister. Show me your copy, Rida, beta. Hurry up. Rida, show me your copy. Have you completed this question? Sada Zainab, बेटा थोड़ा सा नीचे कीजिए बेटा. Okay, last question. Show me the last. Very good, very good.